The engulfing bar alert indicator for MetaTrader 4 scans for bullish and bearish engulfing trading patterns and shows them on the chart. The patterns appears in the form of blue and magenta colored signal arrows. The indicator is versatile and can be used in multiple ways. Key points identifies bullish and bearish engulfing trading patterns. Appears as signal arrows. Price action. Indicator can be fully modified. Inputs tab. Great tool for pattern traders. The engulfing bar indicator identifies any bar that engulfs the bar just prior to it. That means the high and low of the engulfing bar itself will always, as a rule, extend beyond the highs and lows of the bar prior to it. This indicator will alert on the chart the two types of engulfing candles, a bullish engulfing candle, and a bearish engulfing candle. How to trade the indicator. A bullish engulfing candle occurs when the fat part of an up candle completely envelops a prior down candle. This is an indication of an uptrend continuation or a potential reversal of a downtrend. Similarly, a bearish engulfing candle occurs when the fat part of a down candle completely envelopes a prior up candle. This indicates a downtrend continuation or a potential reversal of an uptrend. This is a MetaTrader 4, MT4, indicator and works with all currency pairs and all time frames. Once you download and install the indicator, it will appear in your trading chart, like the image shown above. What is an engulfing bar? As its name suggests, the engulfing bar engulfs the previous bar. It can also engulf more than one previous candle, but to be considered an engulfing bar, at least one previous bar should be fully engulfed or consumed. It might get a little confusing, but always remember that the engulfing bar has a higher high than the previous candle and a lower low. Below is an example of a bullish and bearish engulfing bar. An engulfing bar can be a clue that the market is going to make a decisive move. They can be especially useful in identifying market turning points. If you trade an engulfing bar trading strategy, then this indicator can keep you from missing valuable setups. Summary of how the MT4 engulfing bar alerts indicator works. Our engulfing bar indicator will mark this chart pattern on the chart and send you alerts via email, mobile app push notification and/or text message, when available. You can define which type of engulfing bar you are looking for, total engulfing, body engulfing only or both. The indicator can mark engulfing bars on your chart, or you can hide them and only use the alerts. Engulfing bar indicator for MT4 and MT5. One of the most straightforward candlestick patterns to spot as a trade is the engulfing bar. Engulfing bars are often huge and can have the power to move the markets quickly. In this post, we go through the engulfing bar and how you can use it with free MT4 and MT5 indicators. How to trade the engulfing bar. The best engulfing bars are found when there is an existing trend in place. Because engulfing bars are swing trading signals, we should be looking for them at swing highs and swing lows. Bearish engulfing bars should be found at a swing high, and bullish engulfing bars should be located at swing lows. In this example, the price moves up higher into a swing high. Price then forms a bearish engulfing bar. This bearish engulfing bar at the swing high was the tip-off that price could be looking to sell off back lower. If you are a technical forex trader, you have probably come across the term ENG pattern in quad. If not, don't worry. As the name implies, an engulfing pattern occurs when one candle completely covers the previous candle. You can easily detect the pattern by this JF engulfing indicator for MetaTrader 5. In fact, the pattern is a sign of a possible trade reversal and appears in general or against the trend. The free download, JF engulfing indicator for MT5 scans the market and identifies engulfing patterns on the chart. This means you don't have to do the chore of manually defining a template. In fact, the indicator goes one step further by distinguishing between bearish and bullish engulfing and labeling them accordingly. Therefore, the JF engulfing indicator is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The best part is that you can use the indicator on all currency pairs and timeframes. In addition, the indicator allows you to customize the settings according to your personal preferences. What is an engulfing bar? How to trade the engulfing bar. Engulfing bar indicators for MetaTrader. Engulfing bar indicator for MT4 Premium.